putting smiles on people's faces, it got me in, and I love my job. It's my passion now. My name is Melissa Williams. I've been at Appliance Professionals going on 2 months. I am a hair beautician and a cosmetologist. I did that in my early years. Then I went to home cleanings. I would deep clean homes, offices, storage units, even down to detailing cars sometimes. And then I went to school, and I'm an interior designer, licensed out of Ohio. I moved to Kentucky, and I was kind of feeling around like what I wanted to do because I had been in these fields for so long, and I just love learning new things. And so when I met Lamar, he was telling me what his business was about. And I'm thinking, okay, so we're just fixing some stuff, but it's beyond like just fixing. It's the people's faces and the smiles and how you can just brighten up somebody's day by what you do, the conversation with the customers. It is something like in all of my previous work that I love doing. Like, I love to see people smile, I love to brighten people's day, and I love fixing a problem. So I am here, fixing your machine. You don't have to be handy. I literally knew nothing about appliances, and as of last month, I was the top technician. You have to have the drive and the motivation to actually, you gotta care about the customer, because in this field of work, it is all about the customer, and we wanna take the weight of all of their appliances went wrong and this went wrong, and we wanna put it on our shoulders so we can carry it for the time that we're there.